मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. He was born in Odisha and he gave the famous slogan "Give me blood." Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. Good morning, everyone. Give me your blood and I will give you blood. Good morning, everyone, and my teachers. My name is Anuna Machadri. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father was Sadeki Nath Bose and mother was Parvati Devi. He was influenced by the teachings of Swami Ananda and Ramakrishna, and he gave the famous slogan "Give me blood and I will give me freedom." Thank you. खूब बहती है अमन की गंगा, बहने दो, मत फैलाओ देश में दंगा, रहने दो. लाल हरे रंग में नहला दो हमको, मेरे छत पर एक तिरंगा रहने दो. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. जय हिंद, जय भारत. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected Secretary and Teacher and all the students, good morning. My name is Ahil Wahid of Class 2. Today I want to say some line on Netaji. He was born in Odisha. He was January 23, 1897. He was a great freedom fighter. He fought for India's freedom. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Atifa Anjum. I read in class 4. Today I am standing here to talk about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great nationalist and a freedom fighter. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was popularly known as Netaji, which later became his identity. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and mother's name was Prabha Devi. In 1942, "You give me blood, I will give you freedom" slogan is given by Netaji. It is said that Subhash Chandra Bose was died on 18th August 1945 in a plane crash. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good morning everyone. Myself Naveen Afroz Chaudhary of class 4. Today I stand before you to speak about one of the most iconic leaders of India, Subhash Chandra Bose, fondly known as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose was one of these fearless leaders and was highly regarded by all the participated in the Indian freedom movement, civil disobedience movement. He also belonged to the Indian National Congress. He went to Japan in 1943 and started setting up the Indian National Army there. Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected Secretary, teachers and all my brothers and sisters and friends, good morning everyone. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23 January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. He was the ninth child of Prabhavati Devi and Janakinath Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was popularly known as Netaji. His famous slogan was "Give blood and I promise you freedom." He was a leader of the Indian National Congress. One example of Netaji's leadership was his ability to motivate and inspire his followers. Netaji was died on 18 August 1945 in Tepi city, Taiwan. Thank you. Good morning everyone, respected teachers and principals and my dear friends. Today I deliver a small speech on Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. His father's name was Janakinath Bose and his mother's name was Prabhavati Devi. He was popularly known as Netaji. Netaji started the newspaper Swaraj. Netaji formed Azad Hindu Fauj and Indian National Army. His famous slogans are "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा." जय हिंद. Thank you. My topic is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born to Bengali parents Prabhavati Bose Meerut and Janakinath Bose in 23 January 1897. He an Indian nationalist leader who was a key figure in the Indian independence movement against British colonial rule. Thank you. Good Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ashia Rahman Gulzar. I read in class 4. Today I am going to deliver a short speech on the great leader Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He was influenced by the teachings of Swami Vivekananda and Ramakrishna. Subhash Chandra stood fourth in the ICS examination in England, but he wanted to contribute to the Indian freedom struggle. He was elected president of the Indian National Congress twice. He formed the Azad Hind Fauj on 5th July 1943. He gave the famous slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." He died on 18th August in a plane crash in Taiwan. Thank you.